The newest addition to the Canon RF lens series, which are made specifically for EOS-R and EOS-RP mirrorless bodies, is incredibly capable. Suited for serious photographers looking for an ideal portraiture, low light, fashion, or sports lens, the new Prime RF 85mm features a bright 1.2 aperture with superb edge-to-edge detail. A 9-blade aperture delivers sharp focus with a gorgeous background blur, helping hide distracting elements and allowing subjects to pop. The autofocus speed is extremely fast and accurate, taking full advantage of both the EOS-R and EOS-RP eye detection systems, keeping constant focus on the most important parts of your image. Additionally, it features dust and weather-resistant construction for added reliability and blue-spectrum refractive optics to reduce chromatic aberration. It also incorporates all the technological advances found in the RF lineup, such as the control ring, which allows numerous exposure settings right from the lens barrel. With top-performing engineering and superb handling, the 85mm 1.2 is a welcome addition to Canon's legacy of sharp, professional glass.